Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have the exciting pleasure to show you two incredible homes. It's called Casa Los Roques. It's on this hillside that overlooks the beaches of Playa Prieta. It's some of the most incredible views I've ever seen, and you can hear the waves crash. Come with me on this exciting adventure. We tour these two houses today. We're going to start the tour at the top house. It's 3,336 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it has views that you have never seen before. When you walk through the front door, first you're going to be greeted with the kitchen, then you've got the open living area to the dining room and the living room, and then it opens up to these incredible patio doors with views of the Pacific Ocean where you can watch boats travel by, watch the jet skiers, and enjoy the sunset every night. Come, let's check it out. I love the look of this kitchen. It has flat cupboards, black granite countertops with gold flux in it. It's got a really cool gas range with 5 elements, a black fridge, and a huge sink that overlooks the amazing ocean. So if you're watching dishes, you can watch the boats go by at night. This house has a huge covered area, which is great for entertaining. Right behind me, you've got the pool, and here you've got a barbecue, a sitting area, and outdoor dining. The top house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It has these great doors that open all the way up. It's got about 1,800 square feet of covered space with teak floors. And again, these incredible ocean views here at Casa Los Roques. The stairs in the entire second floor are hardwoods. You've got the master bedroom behind me, and you've got 2 other guest bedrooms. Let's take a look. The second home here is 3,220 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's really cool. It's 3 levels. You've got 2 bedrooms on one level, 2 bedrooms on the middle level, the social area on the top that captures the best view, and you also have a side area that has a pool and outdoor seating. Let's take a look at it together. Here's one of the bedrooms on the ground floor. This one has a king, the other one has 2 queens, and we'll check out the ones on the second floor next. The second one has its own pool. It's got gray slate, and it's got this really unique outdoor area as well with the barbecue. Here's the master bedroom. It has a king, an ensuite, and a walk-in closet, and overlooks this amazing view. The top floor has incredible breezes and it's divided into two areas. There's a seating area where there's a door that opens completely up but also closes for air conditioning, and there's a separate area for the kitchen. Here we've got the separate room for the kitchen and the dining area. It's got double wide balcony doors where you can just soak up these incredible views here in Costa Rica. This 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home will be great for short-term or long-term renters. There's currently a long-term renter here, so you can generate income instantly if this is the house for you. Here we are at the beautiful Perched Beach. It overlooks Flamingo, it faces west, it's amazing for sunset, it has an incredible tree for afternoon shade, and there's always a guy here to sell coconuts and someone here to watch your car. It's about 2 minutes from the house. Check it out.
Italiano is one of my very favorite places to visit in Costa Rica. Nothing beats ice cream on a hot day.
If you're looking for the perfect investment property here in Costa Rica, or if you want to get together with some friends and you're tired of the cold COVID life back in North America, this is the perfect property for you. Come join us in paradise. Check out my website below, flamingobeachrealty.com. Give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd be happy to talk to you. Subscribe to my channel below and have a blessed day. Pura vida.